Today I'm unboxing this flexible tripod battery fan. So if you like this product, check the link in the description below to purchase this. Alright, so let's check the package, what we have here. So we have a strong airflow, angle adjustable, micro USB port, 3-speed settings, 10 watts quick charge, and replaceable bracket. You can see on the picture here. These are the specifications for the power supply: built-in rechargeable battery, micro USB, inputted 5 volt to amp, and fan operating power 5 watt. There's low, medium, and high, and the battery is 5000 milliamp. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. So we have one quick guide, we have one tripod, it's flexible tripod here, we got one screwdriver, and there's a USB, micro USB cable, and here we have a mini fan. You can just move around and clip it like that. And you have a power button on the back here, and you have a light here to indicate whether it's low, medium, high. Turn that on, it will immediately go into low. Press one more time, goes to medium, and one more time goes to high. It's pretty high here, as you can see. Yep. This is on the high settings here. So you press one more time and that will turn off. And this is the micro USB chargeable over here. And put the charger in there. Now the notification light is on the middle of the medium. You can just check your user guide and see how it works. So to install the tripod, definitely you need to take the clamp out first with the help of a screwdriver. That's why they are providing a screwdriver, and then you can mount your tripod in there. And you'd also have a cushion pad on the bottom so that you can also stand in the desk. And you can move around like that, like 360 degree. And this is really great for your kids' stroller, car. If you don't have a ceiling vent in your car, definitely you can utilize this for the rear facing kids. They also tell you how to clean this. You can simply move the counterclockwise and you can open it, and you can simply clean it, and it should be good to go. Alright guys, that's all for today. If you like the product, definitely check the link in the description below to purchase this item. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.